Hi guys, it's Mina again, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken stock. But the first thing I'm gonna show you is how to make a bouquet garni. A bouquet garni is a bundle of herbs that usually add into a casserole, stocks, a soup, sauces, just to enhance the flavor of the dishes. Okay, so what I have here is a fresh thyme. So traditionally, bouquet garni composed of fresh thyme, parsley, and then fresh bay leaf. And then we're gonna tie this up and then add into our other ingredients. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what I have here is onion, carrot, celery, and then at least 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones. So I'm gonna put this in the pot with the 2 liters of water and then the bouquet garni, and then we're going to chop the onion or cut into half, with the skin, then take off the skin, that will add the flavor, and then chop the celery into chunks, and then of course the carrots. No, don't peel the carrots. You need the nutrients from the skin of the carrot, and then just throw everything in the pot. Okay, so after we put all the ingredients in a heavy based pan, we're gonna add some peppercorns, and then we're going to bring slowly to the boil for 3 hours. So at this time, skim the broth from the surface regularly. If you see a scum floating, you just have to get rid of those. And then if you think you need to add a little more water, you may do that. And then you can reduce the heat to low and simmer gently for 3 hours. Okay, so at this time 3 hours is done. You just have to ladle the stock in batches into a fine what do you call it, fine sieve. Fine sieve sitting over a bowl or a container, and then gently press the solid with ladle to extract all the liquid so that you could get all the flavor. Okay guys, so the difference between broth and stock: broth is made with meat and vegetables, while stock is made with bones with some added vegetables and herbs. So I think stock is healthier because you get all the flavor of the bones, which has a lot of protein than broth. Although they're both healthy, but stock is healthier. Guys, I love making my own stock, whether it's beef, chicken, pork, vegetable, seafood, name it. So I just store them in my freezer and then freeze it for up to 6 months, and then whenever I need it, I just thaw them and use them for soups and sauces and gravies. So guys, if you find this useful and you like my video, just leave a comment and hit a like and subscribe if you like, and give a thumbs up. Okay, thank you guys for watching and have a blessed day.